Hi there everyone, I'm your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Now today, I want to interest you in a fairly new cuisine to Jamaica, BBQ-fried chicken. So you know guys, I promised last week to give part 2, so this is it. Promise kept on people. Part 2, I eat this, I eat me, I got drop on honor. Now people wanna know how my thing sit. My love season up my meat good. So you can check out part 1 and you'll see the making of the blended season, people. You will see information about my Instagram. It's Women's 2020. You'll see information about my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. People must season up this with powder season. Me rubbing the blended season because I want every inch of the chicken to be juicy and delicious, people. I'm going to put this away to marinate for about 2 hours. So guys, after 2 hours, I'm going to jump straight into preparing the flour for the coating of my chicken. I have a cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, some powder season. You can use your powder season of choice, guys, and just a pinch of salt. Guys, the trick to getting flavorful fried chicken, you have to season your flour so you have season on the crisp coating and you also have the flesh well seasoned. So in a bowl, guys, I've whisked 2 eggs and I will use it to double coat my chicken. I've double coated and I'm just going to shake off the excess flour and put it in the pot. I have a medium frying pan, guys, with a cup and a half of oil, and I'm simply putting in my chicken in it, and then I'll cover it to allow it to fry. The reason for doing this is because I want to retain the juices in the chicken, and I also want the flesh of the chicken. It's drumstick, and you don't want when you open your drumstick, it seems half cooked. So guys, you can see that this is tender. It is cooking perfectly well, and so afterwards, I'm going to take out the pieces, put it in a baking tray, and then I'm going to put it in the oven, cover it with the foil to retain the juices, cover with foil and place in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, while that is doing its thing, guys, I will move straight to my barbecue sauce. So I have 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce with a tablespoon of honey. I have a teaspoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Now guys, this is to take off that kind of pungent acidic taste from my barbecue sauce, and the best way to do that is to put some sugar in it. I've blended it thoroughly so I don't have sugar granulars to the bottom. Remove my chicken from the oven, people. You see the steam coming from it, so you know what time it is. I'm going to put on my barbecue sauce, and I'm spooning on my barbecue sauce because I want a thick layer of barbecue sauce on my chicken. So guys, I've spooned it on, cover it again with a foil, and I'm going to stick it back in the oven for 10 minutes and then open, remove the foil, guys. Stick it back in the oven and put my oven on broil so I can get the coating of my chicken to be a little bit crisp. So alright people, 2 minutes and just look on this. It done. Take him out of the oven, you know. How about that? The rice done. Look on this, man. I know you'd enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me today. Remember guys, turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I drop a video, you will be notified. Share this video with your friends and encourage them to subscribe to WIMS 2020. Give this video, guys, a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section below. And remember, share this with your friends. Let them know a food we prepare. Come, get your share. So there it is, guys. It's another of my mother's recipe. From my pot onto my daughter's table. And trust me, my daughter's table, it'll go on today. Yup. See it, people? Food ready to be devoured. The food for thought today is taken from 1 Timothy 6 verses 6 and 7. For we brought nothing into the world, and we cannot take nothing out of it. But if we have food and clothing, we will be contented with that.